So first, if we start with the exterior styling, we'll move to the interior in a few minutes. But we wanted to create a vehicle as athletic, as tough, as fun. Kind of captures the character of a lot of the vehicles that we've been launching recently. So you'll see some cues from the Taurus in terms of the grille and the 3-bar, and the modern treatment there. Very taut, athletic surfaces, crisp and sharp lines. When I talk a little bit about the craftsmanship and the quality of execution, you're going to see some very tight margins.
Yep.
For example, here the fascia to fender, hood to fender, most all of the other door cut lines and so on are all very tight, again, to give that impression of quality, solidity, and what the customers are looking for. But really then, if you come back to the fundamentals, what they're looking for is this capability and the utility.
But we're not talking about being a rock crawler or anything. That's not what the Explorer was about, really.
That's absolutely not what it's about. So they want some trailer tow capability.
Right.
They want the ability to go off-road, but it's not an extreme rock climber.
Mm-hmm.
So in terms, start with powertrain, we offer 2 engines. Mm-hmm. We've got the 3.5 V6, which is a TI VCT. It's about 290 horsepower. And that delivers a 20% improvement in fuel economy over the outgoing vehicle.
How have you done that?
We also have an optional engine, which is our 2-litre EcoBoost. That's a direct injection turbocharged engine that would deliver a 30% improvement in fuel economy over the outgoing vehicle. So with the combination of the change in platform, which has taken out about 100 pounds of total vehicle weight, and those new engines, we're absolutely delivering on those fuel economy expectations. Now, in terms of capability, the V6 comes with 4-wheel drive, and we also have an interesting terrain management system, which gives the customer 4 different driving modes. We have a normal driving mode for on-road, and then we have mud, sand, and snow, which helps the driver maintain traction in any one of those conditions. We also have 5,000 pounds of trailer tow with the V6 engine, and plenty of performance. So, we're delivering that fuel economy, but with uncompromised performance and capability. When you look at the vehicle, we talked a little bit about the appearance in terms of the styling surfaces. It's a very wide stance.
Yep.
We've actually increased the stance.
So this is on
the wheelbase.
D platform that's been used.
Yeah, it's on the D platform. The D platform is shared with the Flex, with the Taurus, the MKS and the MKT vehicle. What we've done with this vehicle, though, is this is an uncompromised SUV. So it's uncompromised in terms of its capability. It's uncompromised in terms of its durability. So what we've taken from the D platform are the manufacturing locators, the hard points, the manufacturing assembly process, which allows us to build this vehicle in our Chicago assembly plant, along with the Taurus and the MKS. Mm-hmm. But we've got a lot of dimensional changes to the platform to increase the track, reduce the wheelbase, increase the ride height, but more importantly, to give it that durability capability that you expect from an SUV vehicle. This vehicle has been designed, developed, and signed off to our full truck durability standards.
I was going to ask about that, because your truck durability standard is significantly higher than car, isn't it?
So this is built full tough, in the true sense of the word. So we're really on that D platform that you asked about. We really have kind of 3 levels. We have a car platform, Taurus and MKS. We have a crossover platform, Flex and MKT. And then we have the SUV version, which is obviously where the new Explorer comes from. So that's a little bit about the style, the appearance of the vehicle, some of the all-round capability that we're providing. The next area that we focused on is the interior.